Let's head over to Google Classroom tip number 2. All right, now there's a couple of ways that you can actually do what I'm about to show you, but I personally think that this particular way is the easiest way if you would like to ensure that a number of students are able to access your Google Classroom page much more quickly and efficiently. So, Google Classroom tip number 2 is that you can create a class code for easy enrollment. So when you create a Google Classroom page, each page already has a class code which your students can access so that they are able to enroll and access all of the information and assignments that you have added or that you will add to your Google Classroom page. So I think this is the easiest way to allow your students to join your class, because the second way does require a little bit of manual entering of data, and it might take you a little bit of time. So if you, for example, are watching this now and you went to Google Classroom and you typed in that class code, you would be able to join this particular class. You also have the ability to send a class invitation link to your students so that they are able to join the class as well. The other really handy thing here is that we do have our 3 dots with our class code option here. Our 3 dots always mean there are more options. So we have the ability to copy that class code invite. We can copy the class code. All right, we can reset the code. So if I clicked this now, all right, it is going to change the code. Or you also have the option to turn the code off. So this will remove the class code and invite link, but you can always go back in and you can always recreate and regenerate that later. So I'm just going to turn that off because otherwise I might have oodles of people coming and joining this class, and this is just a demonstration class. So I'm just going to turn that off. But being able to create and use that class code is a absolute time saver. Another way that you can allow your students to join is through the People tab, and you can manually enter the students here by popping in their email addresses. Again, it's handy if you have them accessible, but it might take a little bit of time if you have a large number of students in your class or classes.